Let's talk about this question now. Let BD be the median of triangle ABC. DE is perpendicular to BC and DE is the median of angle triangle BDC. If BD and DE are of length 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter respectively, find the area of triangle ABC. So as I said earlier, it is very important to draw the diagram first. Let me draw the diagram of triangle ABC. So let's take this as the triangle ABC. This would be ABC. Now, DE is the median of BDC. Okay, so BD is the median of ABC. Okay, so we need to we need to join these 2 points. This is point D. I need to join this line, and this is actually the median of this triangle, right? So this is the median. Okay, then I need to draw DE that is perpendicular to BC, correct? So I need to drop a perpendicular from this point, and that is perpendicular to BC. So this is DE. Now DE is the median of BDC. For this triangle BDC, DE is the median. So you can assume that E is the midpoint. Actually, it is not up to the scale, but because DE is the median, these two lengths must be equal, right? Also, these two lengths are equal because D is the midpoint, and these two lengths are equal because E is the midpoint, correct? Now, if BD and DE are of length 5 and 4, BD is 5 and DE is 4, I need to find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Guys, there are so many ways to solve this particular question, but the easiest of all, guys, I want to give you triggers, right? So we are given the medians, right? We are given 2 medians. So we must think about this point that median divides the area into 2 parts, right? Area or median divides the area of a triangle into 2 equal parts, correct? So I need to keep that in mind. Second thing is, I am given the lengths of the sides of this triangle, that is BDE, as 5 and 4. Can you see it's a right angle triangle? So the length of BE would be 3. Why? Because it is 5, it is 4. So it's a primitive triplet, that is 3, 4, 5. So the length of BE would be 3. And because E is the midpoint, length of CE would also be 3. Now I can easily find the area of this triangle. How? I can find the area of this triangle BDE. I can find the area of this triangle BDE, that is half base into height, correct? And can you see this area? Okay, so area of triangle BDC, area of triangle BDC would be half the area of triangle ABC. How is it so? Because BD is the median, so it divides the area of triangle ABC into 2 equal parts. So BDC would be half of the area of triangle ABC. Now, because DE is the median, area of triangle BDE would be half of the area of triangle BDC. And can you look at this triangle BDC, because DE is the median, so this median divides this the area of this triangle BDC into 2 equal parts. Now you can directly say that area of triangle BDE would be equal to, using area BDC here, you can write it as BDE would be 1/4 of the area of triangle ABC, correct? So area of triangle ABC, that is, we need to find out, would be 4 times the area of triangle BDE. So area of triangle ABC would be 4 times the area of triangle BDE, correct? Now, what is the area of triangle BDE? Area of this triangle would be half base into height. Base is 3, height is 4. So that would be 6. Correct. So area of triangle ABC would be 4 into 6, and that is 24 centimeters squares. Or option B is the correct answer.